Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix Smart 8 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store install stuck on padding. When you can download your application, you must cancel it and go back to the main menu of your smartphone where you navigate to the settings application. Now we scroll down to the last option system and there, date and time. As you can see, now we have auto set time off. To fix our problem, we need to change it from off to use network provided time. I tap there and change as I did it. And we can go back and try install again something on Google Play Store and it is working right now. If no, you must restart your Google Play Store. See you soon. Bye.